I'm going to show you how to input a new brand ambassador. So first of all, create some space. So I actually want to have it between this person and this person. So after you have created some columns, I'll scroll down here and you can see I have actually hidden some template. So just go ahead and copy the free column here. Control C to copy, and then go back to that space, and I will paste it. Control V to paste, or paste it in between the orange columns, and then I will delete the excess. Just delete that. So now you have got the free column ready. Just give it a name. This person is called Demo 1. Enter. So after you have done that, there is a couple of formula to take this name and put the tag shop floor and a roof. So you don't really have to type it yourself. It will be done for you. And now you're ready to put in the rota. So there is two ways of doing it. You can actually just go ahead and select the time with a drop down menu, or you can type it straight in 11 and then you can choose the time, Control Z, or you can actually just copy and paste another person on here. So let's just say Demo 11 is actually working in the same rota as Linda, but the rotation is slightly different. So what I'm going to do, for example, I'm going to copy from the week 2, because I know this is Sunday, because Sunday I always put a blue here. So I'm going to copy 3 weeks like this, copy, and then I'm going to paste it in, Control V, and then I will go back to the first week and just copy 1 week. Copy, Control V, paste. So now Demo 11 have the exact contract as Linda, but rotated differently. So now we're ready to put the rota onto the main. So with the main, if you go all the way to here, you will see there is some hidden columns before the manager's name. So open it and you will see the different columns here. Now I'm going to try and find a location. I want to insert the new person just here. So I need to click on here and drag, and then insert right. It's okay if you actually insert it more, because later we can actually just go ahead and delete the excess. So we're going to go back to here and copy 4 columns. So the blue to the blue, copy it, go back to the space and paste it in, Control V. There you go. So you see there is a drop down here, but I really don't need a drop down. So what I usually do is I'll copy the first cell, which is blank. I'll copy it, Control C, and then select the letters at the top, so it's the entire lane. I'll Control V, so that way I can just get rid of all the drop down, and then make this a bit smaller. Oops. Let's make this a bit narrow. This is excess, So I'm just going to delete this now. So now I got the template here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the actual name from the master. So go back to master, copy this name. Sometimes it's actually better to copy than type it in, because sometimes when you type it in you might accidentally add a space, and when you do that the spreadsheet thinks is another person, like a unique person. So I'm going to do Control-Shift-V, and what that does is I'm just pasting in the value. I'm not taking any of the colors. So what I tend to do now is I like to make everything looks neat and tidy. At the moment the computer is thinking, is taking the information from the master and duplicated 2 years, and in some part it was split into 2 rotas. So I'm going to take the opportunity to format this so it looks nice and neat. So you see this is actually quite low, and I want everything to be centralized. So what I tend to do is I'll go to the corner and I will select the entire sheet, and then I will just make it neat. Just literally centralize everything. Yep. So everything looks consistent. Unclick and you have the rota. So after you've done that, you can go to the BA handout, and then you can actually just click onto this box here and directly type in the name DE for demo, and almost immediately you will have, well, it's not immediate if you use John Lewis computers, you will have the rota for the entire year. And of course you've got the Christmas ready as well. So just go into the name box and start typing DE, and that will actually shortlist everything. There you go. Split into 2 at some point as well. Yep. And you can actually go to the holiday, and you see whenever you have a drop down box you can start to choose your name. DE, click that. At the moment I got demo 11 having 10 days of holiday, but you can use the partner link to check how many holidays this person is getting. So the data will go to the BA handout here. Oh, have I got the right one? BA handout. And you can see the holiday here, entitlement. But if this person have booked holiday, it will be less. It will be less. You have a counter for counting holiday taken on a Saturday as well as Sunday, because I can imagine Saturday and Sunday is the most popular day that people take the holiday, so you can keep an eye on how people are using their holiday and make it fair for everybody. So for those who actually works in the office and have one set rota, you can actually find my videos on how to input them in the link. And if you go to the YouTube and open the spreadsheet, you can actually find the how to input onto here, editing, and you just click on this one, and then you can actually see a video of how to input a new partner. Thank you, bye bye.